Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add the grid lines in Microsoft Whiteboard. So in order for you to do this, just simply go to one of your board, and after that just simply go ahead and select the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, which is the settings menu. And after that you will have here format background, and from here you can provide any color that you prefer, and you will have here a grid. So this will be the background. You can go for dot, square, or graph, or hybrid. So pretty much this will be depending on you, or diamond, or you could go for the others. And that's simply about it. Just simply select square over here, and you should be able to add a grid lines, or you could go for this one or this one over here. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we'll do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.